Hello and welcome to JavaScript Essentials. In this course, we're going to be learning the basics of JavaScript. If you're looking for a course on ES6, this is not it. This is more of a beginner course. And a few of the things that we're going to go through, they include internal versus external JavaScript files, where to put your JavaScript in your HTML file, all the way down to variables, common assignment, string manipulation, operators, if, else, try, catch, query selectors for selecting your HTML inside of your DOM, changing values of the inner HTML, what hoisting is, functions, anonymous functions. We're going to get into arrays, objects, loops, and we're going to start talking about changing CSS styles with selectors, classes with different methods, like what are classes, what makes JavaScript object orientated. We might dive into a little bit of ES6 JavaScript, things like const, let, and var, or arrow functions. Nearing the end of this course, we're going to learn about frameworks, some really awesome JavaScript libraries that will make your life just so much easier. And I'm even going to show you how you can make a little bit of money by writing JavaScript. Throughout this course, there's going to be a couple different projects. They're not going to be overly extensive. They're not going to really make your brain sweat, but they are going to be great practice. And it's only ever going to consist of things that you have learned in this course. So we're not going to assume that you already know other JavaScript from another course. We're not going to assume that you know CSS3 transitions and animations or anything advanced like that. We are purely learning JavaScript here. And this is going to get you really rolling as a JavaScript developer on the front end of any development website. All right, with that said, thank you for attending this course. If you have questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to join the Facebook group. The link will be in the comments below, or it'll be in the next lesson. And I look forward to seeing you soon.